Let's be honest, your days are packed. The alarm blares, you're thinking about work, and breakfast is an afterthought. Lunch? Usually a quick grab and go that leaves you sluggish. By the time you're home, you're exhausted and the takeaway menu wins again. You want to get lean and feel energetic, but your schedule feels like a wall. You're not alone. Most busy professionals are stuck in this loop. The office is full of temptations, and your energy crashes by mid-afternoon. It's easy to believe that getting healthy takes hours in the kitchen or a restrictive diet. So you put it off, waiting for a better time that never comes. Here's the truth. You don't need more time, just a smarter plan. Forget complicated recipes and long meal preps. We're focusing on quick wins, simple strategies that fit your life. This guide will show you how to get real results in just minutes a day. Stop letting your schedule dictate your health. You can get lean, feel great, and still crush your career. Ready to make it happen? Let's dive in. What's SlimSync? It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle shift for busy people. No banning your favorite foods or endless salads. It's about small, smart changes that add up over time. We sync nutrition with your real life, focusing on foods that fuel your body and brain. The key? Preparation. 10-minute meals, not hours in the kitchen. Every meal is a chance to nourish yourself. Lean protein, healthy fats, complex carbs. This combo keeps you full, focused, and energized. Forget perfection. Consistency is what matters. If you slip up, just get back on track at the next meal. SlimSync is flexible, not restrictive. We're building habits that last, not quick fixes. Small daily actions create big, lasting change. Ready to see how easy healthy eating can be? Let's start making those simple changes. Your transformation begins now. Breakfast often gets skipped, but it's your secret weapon for energy and focus. Enter overnight protein oats, ready in 2 minutes the night before. Grab a jar, add 50 g rolled oats, a scoop of protein powder, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and 150 milliliters milk. Stir or shake, pop it in the fridge, and you're done. In the morning, top with berries and nuts for extra nutrition and crunch. This breakfast is about 400 calories, 30 g protein, and keeps you full until lunch. No more mid-morning cravings or energy crashes. Change it up. Add peanut butter, banana, cinnamon, or cacao for variety. Prep a few jars at once and your week's breakfasts are sorted. 2 minutes of prep and you're set for success. No excuses, no skipping. Start your day with a win. Fuel your body, fuel your mind. Healthy eating doesn't get easier than this. Try it tonight and feel the difference tomorrow. Quick, tasty, and powerful. That's how you start strong. Let's move on to lunch. Office lunches can sabotage your energy, but the Power Bowl changes the game. Prep chicken and quinoa on Sunday, store in the fridge. Each morning, toss spinach, chicken, quinoa, and colorful veggies into a container. Add a simple olive oil and lemon dressing. No microwave needed, just grab and go. Around 450 calories, 35 g protein, and packed with nutrients. Swap proteins or carbs to keep it interesting. Tuna, chickpeas, brown rice, sweet potato. Add extras like feta, olives, or avocado for flavor and healthy fats. 5 minutes to assemble endless combinations. Stay fueled, focused, and satisfied all afternoon. Healthy lunch, zero hassle. That's how you win your workday. After work you want dinner fast, without the guilt. Try pesto salmon with tender stem broccoli. Salmon fillet, pesto, broccoli, lemon. Place everything on a tray, spread pesto, drizzle oil, season and grill for 8-10 minutes. Minimal effort, maximum flavor. About 400 calories, 30 g protein, and loaded with healthy fats. Use frozen salmon or swap in chicken or other veggies. One tray, barely any cleanup. Quick, nutritious, and satisfying. Make healthy eating the easy choice, even on your busiest nights. Enjoy your evening, knowing you fueled your body right. That's dinner, done. Ready for the next challenge? The 3 p.m. slump is real, but smart snacking keeps you in control. Choose snacks with protein and healthy fats, like apple slices with peanut butter. Easy to prep, portable, and satisfying. About 250 calories, 8 g protein, enough to tide you over. Other options: Greek yogurt with berries, almonds, or a hard-boiled egg. Prep snacks ahead. Portion nuts, boil eggs, keep them visible. Make healthy choices the easiest option. No more vending machine runs or sugar crashes. Stay energized and focused all afternoon. Smart snacking is your secret weapon. Plan ahead, snack smart, and beat the slump. Let's set you up for a winning week. Success starts with Sunday prep, not willpower. One focused hour sets you up for the whole week. Plan your lunches and quick dinners, make a shopping list and get everything you need. Cook a batch of carbs, quinoa, rice, and lean protein, chicken, mince. Cool and store in containers. Wash and chop veggies, store separately for easy access. Prep salad greens and boil eggs for snacks or salads. Portion out nuts or seeds, line up jars for overnight oats. In just an hour, your fridge is stocked with healthy options. No more scrambling or last-minute decisions. Healthy eating becomes automatic even on your busiest days. This routine removes friction and makes success inevitable. Prep once, win all week. Make Sunday your superpower. Your future self will thank you. Ready to stay consistent? Life happens. Deadlines, celebrations, late nights. Don't let one off day derail your progress. The secret? Consistency, not perfection. Follow the 80-20th rule. Stick to your plan most of the time, enjoy flexibility the rest. This makes healthy living sustainable and enjoyable. Use reminders, set alarms for Sunday prep or nightly oats. Let technology help you build habits. Track progress beyond the scale. Energy, focus, how your clothes fit. Celebrate every win, big or small. If you slip, just start fresh at the next meal. Every choice is a new opportunity. Consistency is your real superpower. Keep going. You're closer than you think. Let's finish strong. You now have a simple, realistic plan to get lean and energized, no matter how busy you are. It's not about overhauling your life, but making smart tweaks that fit your routine. Remember why you started. More confidence, more energy, more control. This journey is about gaining vitality, not just losing weight. Start now. Pick one habit to try this week. Maybe it's overnight oats or prepping lunches for 2 days. Nail one habit, then add another. Small, consistent actions build momentum. You don't need to be extreme, just consistent. Believe in the process and in yourself. Your schedule is a challenge, not a barrier. With the right plan and mindset, you will succeed. This is your journey. Start with your next meal. Let's get prepping, cooking, and feeling incredible. You've got this. Now go and smash it.